this message is especially for women working on the LRT, since everybody knows that the 8th of March is a Women's Day, which is almost as famous than the National Day here in Qatar. I want to say that all the women working on the LRT has definitely a key role in our organization. They are much of the time, more sensitive, having more sensibility than men, pushing on, and at all, I believe that time to time they have as well more objectivity that we could find amongst the senior staff that we have, the men senior staff.
It's important to celebrate Women's Day. It's important to acknowledge the added value that women bring to the workplace. For me, they bring a different approach to problem solving. And in my experience, the more point of view we have for problem solving, the more efficient is the team. The second point, and that's quite important, women reduce the level of aggressivity in a team. And this alone makes the workplace a better environment to work. So let's celebrate Women's Day. Be proud of yourself.
I've been working on construction projects for almost 20 years. And still on construction projects, we are far from having gender diversity for various reasons. Thankfully, what I observed is that little by little things are changing and the situation is resolved. More and more women occupy all kinds of positions and have the same chances and rights as men. For me, it is clear that an organization, a company, a society which is granting equal chance and equal rights to women and men have a competitive advantage with regards to the ones which are not. The second thing I have observed is that when an organization is unbalanced but equal chances and equal rights are given to men and women, women are on an average more motivated to progress and more eager to succeed. I think we must all be proud on a project to promote gender diversity because it is a real advantage for a company and it provides real added value for all.
I have quite a high respect for all the women that decided to join our industry. It is notoriously a men industry where women have to really establish themselves probably to a higher level that is required from men.
I hope you're having a happy International Women's Day. Just going to say a few words about women that I've encountered in construction. I've actually worked for a woman. She was my boss for a number of years and very inspirational. I've been highly impressed with the level of dedication and work abilities of the girls and ladies I've come across here on the LRT. Notably, if you go into the underground, you'll see many of the stations are run by women and they've won the safety awards on numerous occasions.
Despite working throughout my career in industries that many men find intimidating, I've always been fortunate enough to work alongside women, from shipbuilding welders in Spain, air traffic controllers in Turkmenistan, and steel mill workers in Canada. Railways are an industry where many have struggled to attract and retain women, even though they're less hostile environments to work in. So it's very encouraging to see women in key positions on the LRT project, especially as we're in a region where women don't typically get such opportunities. QDVC and Alstom should be praised for that, as well as Qatar Railways and the state of Qatar itself.
I'm so impressed with QDVC that my daughter's actually coming to do a very short stint of voluntary work where she gets experience in the HR department, and I definitely wouldn't have let her come here if I wasn't 100% certain that she would be treated with the respect and concern that she deserves.
I'm very proud to participate to this event and to share with you what I think about the moment I share day to day on this project with all my colleagues and the women in particular. I think we make a great achievement today on the LRT project, and that is really a team project. And I don't make any difference between men and women, but one thing is sure is the contribution of women makes this project more, let's say, happy and easy to practice.
In particular, on the LRT, we have quite a good team of women, some of them even relatively young, that they are really performing to the highest level, even beyond our expectation. They are very active, they are very focused, and sometimes we rely on them to get the level of information that maybe we don't get from the rest of the team.
I wish you a very happy International Women's Day. Unfortunately, it's not every day. It should be the case because you're bringing so much at work.
When I studied my engineering degree in France back in 1980, 85 actually, a few years ago, in a promotion of 120 people in my class, there was only 3 or 4 women at the time. Now this number has increased to around 20%. Nevertheless, it's still not 50-50 for sure. But I'm glad that on the underground part of the LRT project, we've been able to welcome 3 ladies who are in charge of stations. So out of 7 stations on the underground station, 3 of them are managed by station engineers who are women. And I believe they bring their own vision of our work, and this is valuable to me. Of course, there are other women working in the team, and again, this is an added value to me to the team.
Hello, everybody! Happy Women's Day! And I also take the opportunity to thank to all my dear colleagues for their great work for this project. And also look to have more women in this field of construction to work all together. Happy Women's Day.
Well, I would like to use this opportunity and congratulate all the women around the world for being great mothers and great professional colleagues.
On this International Women's Day, I would like to congratulate all of our female colleagues for their valuable contribution to deliver the project. Also, it's an occasion to pay tribute to the value of women in our lives in general. I really regard your involvement and existence in our project very helpful, and it supports us. Entering the construction field is something very vital for women and breaking the traditional image for admin positions and roles. Now we see in Lusail project women working in field positions and working side by side with the rest of the team. I appreciate this from my role in HR, and I wish you all the best to continue the success together.
I can define working with women as progressive, fun, colorful, and social-centric. I'm really proud of being an organization where women's contribution is very well recognized and encouraged. Happy Women's Day. I'd like to conclude by saying that if you need something to be said, ask a man. If you need something to be done, ask a woman.
Girls, I want to wish you the best of the days in this International Women's Day. You are an example for all the men, you are an example for all your families, you are an example for everybody. I wish you all the best and happy International Women's Day.
Thank you for all your efforts, and keep motivated. We really need you. It's really enjoyable to work with you.
So I want also to congratulate all the women I have in my team, because I know that sometimes it's very difficult to associate their professional life and their family life. And I know that their contribution to the project is recognized and sometimes is not really paid at the same value of the men, but I think it's something we are still to work on that, because I'm sure that what you bring to the project is very, very efficient.
We have a few ladies working in Alstom in our project, and I believe it will increase with time, and I believe that Qatar provides a very safe environment for ladies to work in construction industry in different areas. We are working in planning and reporting, and I believe our group is really helped by having this diversity.
Also, I'd like to know that the strength of the group is made of individuals, and the diversity is a big chance for the strength of the group.
For the technical department of IMAC, we are very proud of the contribution of women in our team, especially because women are also contributing to the success of the LRT.
I think this is nothing less than deserved. You're performing incredibly well, and I'm incredibly proud to be a part of a company that promotes women in the construction industry, and I think you're starting to put some of the men to shame.
It's a well-known fact that women think in different ways to men. Their perspective on things can be refreshing and beneficial to projects and companies alike. There's no reason why women cannot rise to the top of every industry, especially railways, and I encourage all women to aim high. Have a successful International Women's Day.
One message: don't be afraid. You can stand up to us.
I'd like to take the opportunity to thank all of you for your commitment, your courage, and all the time you give to this project all along the years, and for you since long time, because you are involved within QDVC since long time. Thank you very much to all of you.
Happy International Women's Day for 2018. Us men know being a working woman, a wife, and a mother is extremely difficult. So we praise you all for your hard work and dedication you show to us all. Keep it up and all the best.